हेलो। आज हम फिर से आपके लिए लेकर आ रहे हैं यूजीसी सीएसआर नेट 2016 जून पार्ट सी के कुछ और क्वेश्चन। लेट x1 x2 up to so on xn be a random sample from f of x comma lambda equals to twice lambda x e to the power minus lambda x square x greater than 0 otherwise. Here lambda greater than 0 is an unknown parameter. It is then test the following hypothesis at level alpha greater than 0. We want to test h0 lambda less than equals to 1 versus h1 lambda greater than 1. Then which of the following are true? सही ऑप्शन बी UMP test is the from summation I varies from 1 to n xi square less than dn with dn less than dn plus 1 for all n. The correct option B. Next question. Let x1 up to so on xn be IID n of mu comma 1. It is to test h0 mu equals to 0 versus h1 mu greater than 0. Let Pn of mu comma alpha denote the power of the UMP test at mu of size alpha based on sample size n. Then which of the following statements are correct? A option. Limit n tends to infinity Pn of mu comma alpha equals to 1 for all mu greater than 0 for all alpha greater than 0. This is the correct option. B is also correct. Limit mu tends to 0 Pn of mu comma alpha equals to alpha for all n greater than equals to 1 and alpha greater than equals to 0. And C option is correct. Limit alpha tends to 0 Pn of mu comma alpha equals to 0 for all n greater than equals to 1 mu greater than 0. A, B and C is the correct option. Next question. Let x be a random sample from a Poisson distribution with parameter lambda. The parameter lambda has a distribution f of z where f of z equals to e to the power minus z, z less than 0 otherwise. Under the square error loss function, which of the following statements are correct? A statement is correct. The Boy's estimator of e to the power lambda is to the power x plus 1, and B option is correct. The means of lambda is x plus 1 upon 2, and also C option is correct. The distribution of lambda is gamma. A, B and C is a correct option. Let y1, y2, y3, y4 be uncorrelate observations such that E of y1 equals to beta 1 plus beta 2 plus beta 3 equals to E of y2. E of y3 equals to beta 1 minus beta 2 equals to E of y4, and various of yi equals to sigma square. For I varies from 1, 2, 3, 4. I की value only and only I equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 value. Then which of the following statements are true? And say option A. P1 beta 1 plus P2 beta 2 plus P3 beta 3 is estimable if and only if P1 plus P2 equals to twice P3. And B option is correct. And unbasis estimator of sigma square is in bracket y1 minus y2 whole square plus y3 minus y4 whole square bracket complete upon 4. And C option is also correct. The base linear unbasis estimator of beta 1 minus beta 2 is 1 upon 2 in bracket y3 plus y4 bracket complete. A, B and C is a correct option. Next question. Consider a linear model y equals to x beta plus epsilon where x is an n by p matrix. Rank of x equals to p. E of epsilon equals to 0. D of epsilon equals to sigma square I. E of dot stand for expectation. D of dot denote the variance covariance matrix, and I is the nth order. I is nth order identity matrix. Identity matrix define the n by n matrix. H equals to Hij equals to x in bracket x dash x bracket complete to inverse 1 x dash. Then which of the following statements are correct? A. 0 less than equals to Hij less than equals to 1 and 1 less than equals to I less than equals to n. B is also correct. If Hij equals to 0 or 1 for some I, then Hij equals to 0 for all j not equals to 1. C also correct. The variance covariance matrix of the vector of the predicted value y cap of y is sigma square h, and also D is also correct, and the 4 option is correct. The option for 1 less than equals to I less than equals to n. If I is the corresponding to yi, that is ei equals to fi minus fi cap minus yi cap being the predicted value of yi, then the variance of ei equals sigma square 1 minus Hij. Here yi is the ith component of y. and repeat the option. For 1 less than equals to I less than equals to n, if ei is the reducer corresponding to yi, that is ei equals to yi minus yi cap, comma yi cap being the predicate value of yi, then the variance of ei equals sigma square 1 minus hij. Bracket complete. Here yi is the ith component of y. Next question. Let xy follow a normal distribution with means vector 0, 0 and matrix summation equals to 1p, p1, p not equals to 0. Suppose z equals to x minus y upon x plus y under root 1 plus p upon 1 minus p. Then which of the following statement are correct? Following statement are correct. A option is correct. Under root 1 minus p upon 1 minus p. Under root 1 plus p upon 1 minus p. Multiply x minus y upon under root x square plus y square minus twice xy. Has the student's t distribution. T distribution. And also C option is correct. Z is symmetric about 0. Z is symmetric about 0. A and C is the correct option. Next question. A sample of size 2 is drawn for a population of 4 units. Using the probability two sides sampling with the replacement, the selection probability are P1 equals to 0.2, P2 equals to 0.3, P3 equals to 0.1 and P4 equals to 0.4 for units 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the population, representatively, let the value of a study variable, the ith unit be yi, I equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, IQ value 1, 2, 3, 4. Let pi I denote the include probability of the ith unit and pi ij. Pi ij, the joint inclusion probability of unit I and j, I greater than j, I dot j equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then which of the following statements are correct? A option is correct. T equals to 1 upon 2 summation yi upon pi is an unbasis estimator of the population total where the sum is over the unit in the sample. B option is correct. B option is correct. Pi 1 equals to 0.36, pi 2 equals to 0.51. C is also correct. Pi 12 equals to 0.12. A, B and C is correct option. Next question. Consider a balanced incomplete block designed with V. Treatment B block, replication R, block size K and pairwise parameter lambda. Assume the standard fixed effect model for the data through D. Which of the following statement are correct? Following statement true का मतलब करेक्ट ही होता है. ट्रू होता है वर्ड्स या तो करेक्ट होता है. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. द डिजाइन इन कनेक्टेड इफ k greater than equals to 2. B option is also correct. The inequality B greater than equals to V hold for D. C option is also correct. The variance of the base linear unbasis estimator bracket blue of a normalized treatment is a constant. D option is also correct. The covariance between the blue of the two orthogonal statement is 0. A, B, C and D is also correct. 4 option is also correct. Next, maximum 3x plus 4y subject to x greater than equals to 0, y greater than equals to 0, x less than equals to 3, 1 upon 2 x plus y less than equals to 4, x plus y less than equals to 5. Which among the following statements are correct? And C option is B. The optimal value is 18. C option is also correct. 3, 2 is an extreme point of the feasible region. B and C is correct option. आज यहाँ 2016 जून के सभी क्वेश्चन यहाँ हमने लिए आपके.